Hello loves! Today in this video, I wanted to share with you guys how I transformed my sad, boring, little spare bathroom into the cutest, shabby chic bathroom we have ever laid eyes on. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jenna Charlette. I am an Instagram model. I have been taking really sexy photos on Instagram for the longest time ever. But before I did that, I wanted to be an interior designer. Ever since I was 15, I was like, I'm going to be an interior designer. And I even took some classes on it in college. But here I am. I'm going to be transforming my bathroom and share with you guys how it turned out. So for the longest time ever, I had no clue how I wanted my bathroom to look. So I went on Pinterest and started looking for inspiration and came across this photo of this bathroom that made me feel so happy. I was like, oh my god, I love this so much, because it was very bright white and airy with gold touches. And the thing that caught my interest the most was the Tiffany blue colored cabinets with the butterfly knob. And so that sort of was the inspiration that started it all. And I started saving more photos that were similar to it and decided that I'm gonna go towards the shabby chic route. So this is how it's looking like so far. It feels much brighter now that we added this contact paper and this white wallpaper. I'm going to be getting a new light fixture pretty soon, and I added this mirror so far. I can't remove that back mirror because this is a rental and I don't know how to, and honestly I kind of don't mind this situation even though it is a little bizarre. So this is my outfit. I'm losing my voice, so don't mind the raspiness. I just finished making some TikToks, so that's why I'm wearing this. I love this outfit so much, but I would never wear this out in public. It's literally just for the photos. Maybe to a party or something, but I don't really go to parties anymore, so yeah. Anyways, I just got this beautiful new lighting fixture. Somebody came and installed that and it looks gorgeous. And then I bought this mirror off Amazon and somebody came and added this, but I don't know, whatever. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna have somebody add some here because the person who did this didn't add any contact paper here. Here, I'm going to be adding a panel, wallpaper panel. This is what I'm thinking. And then I'm gonna be changing this knob into something super adorbs. And I'm gonna be adding some shelves here. And then I'm gonna change that shower head. I never noticed how messed up these gloves are. Here, I'm gonna be adding a curtain rod that's gonna be champagne gold and a shabby chic shower curtain. And then I wanna add cute little accessories, these pearl ones that I saw on Etsy, as well as little dangly little butterflies with hearts in it. It's gonna look so cute. And then somebody's coming tomorrow to finish this up and then also paint the walls white because they're looking sort of yellowish. So that's the update for this bathroom. I can't wait till it's all completed. There's still things I need to buy, like a new shower rug, some decor to put on the shelves. Oh, I'm gonna be getting a new sink. Actually, I already have it. I'm gonna be getting a new sink installed. That's when I'm gonna be doing.
Small city thinking, I get why you left.
In here, I have my new sink. So pretty and gold. Let's see it. Here. This is the new sink. Can't wait to see what it looks like installed. Before, after. Before, after. Alright, So today somebody's gonna be coming over to paint the walls because as you can see, there's like a difference in the wall colors, so we're gonna be painting. And then yesterday I had this installed, and if I were to give anybody a suggestion about DIY bathroom, I would have this installed before adding this marble contact paper because they ruined it pretty much. It doesn't really bother me. I'm gonna have the girl who's gonna be painting, I'm gonna have her add some contact paper around here to like disguise it, and then also this. And I thought about just like removing all of this and like starting over, but look how like perfectly it looks right here. I'm scared that if I remove it, that it's gonna damage the wallpaper right here, so I don't know what to do. That's what's happening. I have the paint supplies, so we're gonna paint today. Oh, and I had that installed yesterday too. And then I'm gonna have her also spray paint these hooks with this gold spray paint because I want it to match the curtain rod. And then I have wallpaper here. This wallpaper, we're gonna add it to this little corner right here and just do it on the corner. We're not gonna do any around the shower because of water issues. It's just gonna peel off.
I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips?
And for the final touch, I had to bring in one of my gorgeous female body vases. It's a new one called the Empress.
Adore me, go ahead now.
I have finally finished the last touches of the spare bathroom makeover, and now I'm ready to reveal it to you guys. Are you guys ready to see this? Because it's a huge difference.
I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me.
I feel so happy with the way that it turned out. I think it turned out just like the photo. It's very bright and white in there now. I added the gold touches with the new light fixture that I added, as well as the mirror. And then to bring in some color, I added some photos that I got from Michael's. And one of them is a pop of pink, and then the other one is like an opposite color, which is like a pastel blue. And I just think that everything came out together so nicely with all the butterflies everywhere, like on the shower curtains, the knob, and the artwork, as well as beautiful, lovely lovebirds and flowers. And it makes me feel so happy anytime I go in there. I feel like I am Snow White living in a cute little cottage house out in the forest. Honestly, I use that bathroom so much more than my actual bathroom in my bedroom because it just feels so good to shower in my new rain shower head. It just makes me feel so happy being in there. It's just so girly and feminine and beautiful, and I just hope that it inspired you guys as well, and you guys got some good ideas for your bathroom. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting a video of this wig review next, and I'm also in the process of transforming my own bathroom, so stay tuned for that. That one is gonna be like a farmhouse theme, like modern farmhouse. Also, make sure to check out my online store, Joy de Genevieve, where I sell goddess vases, and get a goddess vase for your bathroom as well. Until the next one, see you then.